I'm April with Bags by April, and this is my vintage Kenmore sewing machine from the 70s. I'm going to show you how to load a bobbin. So your spool of thread goes here. Now there is a lip here. You can see it moving it. The thread needs to go underneath this lip, because that is going to put the correct tension on the thread. If you don't have it, if you have your thread down here, then your bobbin's gonna wind loose, and that's no good. So, the thread is placed properly, and then to put the thread in the bobbin and get it started, come from underneath and out one of the holes. It doesn't matter which hole. And then I hold the thread with my hand, push this arm in, and then you're ready to hit the foot pedal. I let it sew just a little bit, and then I trim off the end. As you can see, it got tangled here a little bit. Just put that to the side. And now you're ready to wind the bobbin. Sometimes this spool of thread will want to lift off, so I keep my finger in place so this thread doesn't fly off into the atmosphere. Now this arm right here, as the bobbin fills and when it's completely full, it's going to pop and stop automatically, but sometimes it goes further than it should, so I really keep an eye on it to try to make sure it doesn't overfill, because if it overfills, then it's not going to fit in the bobbin case properly. And there we go, it stopped. This arm came back into position like it's supposed to, and it looks like it's filled just perfectly. So cut the thread. I got a little bit tangled, but that's okay. And then now you have your bobbin and your bobbin case, and you can just load it and carry on. And I'll show you again how to load that. Okay, we wound the bobbin, so now I'm going to show you how to load the wound bobbin into the bobbin case. First, there is a little, see that little cut groove right there? The thread needs to go into this groove and then follow down this line here and then come out there. So, thread goes into the groove, down this line. It's going to slip underneath there and then come out like that. Now this bobbin has a handy little arm on it, and if you pull this arm out, you can even turn the bobbin upside down and it's not going to fall out. So the next step is, there is a little groove right there. This arm here needs to go in that groove. So I'm going to just place it right in there like that. And see, the arm is in the groove. Let it go, and your bobbin's loaded. That's it. So the next step, I'll show you how to load the top of the machine, place the needle, and then connect the top thread with this bottom thread.